Hey guys, it's AI Build and the AI Brothers. This is our Lego Technic shooting gun.
Here are the instructions for the Lego Technic automatic shooting gun. So first, you make this preset contraption that we've made. Then you connect this small L over here. And then you get this piece and connect it right there. After that, you get this piece, which has the connectors attached to it. And you attach it right there. After that, you get this and you connect it in here. This will be basically where the shots are staying on. Then you get this piece and close it off, like so. Once you do that, you get your gear. You get your 3-length lift arm with this slidey piece attached to it. You place this 5.5 length axle through, and then you place it inside the gear which has the red axle, and place it next to this small gear here. After that, you can use this red connector to stop the axle from behind it from moving around. And then you get this 5-length lift arm with this slidey long piece. You attach it over here. Once you do that, you get this final 7-length piece, lift arm, and you connect this to the second last spot. Make sure to make it on the second last spot, otherwise the bullets will not be shooting. And then to finish it off, you connect this rubber band from this connector all the way to the slidey one. If you want, you can attach your battery box underneath like we've done to make it easier for us and make it easy to not hold. Like so. Once you connect your motor, you're good to go. Now for the instructions for the magazine or the ammunition holder. Here are the instructions for the ammunition holder. So you get this pre-built thing, which has a 2-length lift arms, 1/2 length, 3-length lift arm, 2 stoppers, and these 2 axles. Once you've made that, you get this placed like that. Then you get these 2 half stoppers put together along with a full-length blue connector, and you place it right there. This will basically be over here. Next, you get this blue connector / axle piece, and you get another 2-length lift arm, and you put it there, right there. And then finally, you get this pre-made contraption, and you place it, in there. Here is where your bullets will be stored. Like so. And you place it inside the gun, and you're good to go. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what we should make next, share this video with your friends and family, and enjoy! Here is how the gun works. So basically, the gear that has the axle attached to it hits this 3-length lift arm up until its maximum point over here, while the elastic rubber band is pulling it. Sorry, just rubber band, not elastic. Once it gets to its full potential, the tension from the rubber band releases and makes it shoot like that. Once you make it motorized, it will do it automatically, like so. It is a very simple mechanism and very easy to build. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what we should make next. Share this video with your friends and family, and enjoy!